I'll take an iced mocha. Ouch! What the fuck? Is that a monkey tail?
You bet your monkey ass. That's what you get for ordering an iced coffee.
What's it to you?
I'll tell you what it means to me, monkey boy.
Monkey boy?
Listen, you evolution reject. For as long as coffee's been discovered, man has been trying to keep coffee hotter, longer. And now you spit on centuries of evolution and invention just to put ice in your coffee?
That's a bit much. I mean, I just like cold coffee.
That's my point. Coffee is meant to be hot. When it's cold, you heat it up. You don't drink it. That's what an animal would do. By heating up your coffee, you show you're not a monkey, you're a man.
Wow, I never thought about it that way.
That's right. If you're going to drink cold coffee, you might as well grow a tail. That's why I slapped a monkey tail on you.
Good point. Can I buy you a cup of coffee?
Sure. I'll take an Irish mocha frozen blended.
What the fuck?
I'm a hypocrite. Deal with it.